If you've ever tried to use your microphone in Google Chrome and it wasn't working, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable microphone access in Google Chrome in just a few simple steps. This is useful for Google Meet, Zoom, online voice recorders, speech-to-text tools, and any website that needs to use your microphone. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu for Chrome, and from here you can access all the browser settings you need. In the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page, where you can control privacy options, site permissions, security settings, and more. If you're trying to fix microphone access, the settings you need are a little further down, so don't worry if you don't see them right away. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, click Privacy and Security. This section contains the controls for what websites are allowed to access on your device. Since your microphone is considered a permission, this is the correct place to change it. Next, scroll down and click Site Settings. Site Settings lets you manage permissions for things like your camera, location, notifications, and microphone. This is where Chrome decides what each website can or cannot use. Under the Permissions section, click Microphone. Now, you'll see the microphone controls for Chrome. This is the main page where you can decide which device Chrome should use and whether websites are allowed to request access at all. Now, under Default Behavior, select Sites can ask to use your microphone. This is the setting you want if you want websites to be able to request access normally. If this is turned off, websites may not be able to prompt you properly, which can cause microphone problems. After that, look for the Microphone drop-down menu and choose your preferred input device. If you have more than one microphone connected, such as a built-in laptop mic, headset mic, or external USB microphone, this is where you can choose the one you actually want Chrome to use. Make sure you select the correct device so your audio goes through properly. At this point, your microphone should now be enabled in Google Chrome. If a website still doesn't work, try refreshing the page or closing and reopening Chrome. You may also want to check whether the website itself has microphone access blocked in the browser address bar, because sometimes individual site permissions can override the default settings. And that's it. You've now learned how to enable microphone in Google Chrome and choose the correct input device. This quick change can solve a lot of common audio issues when using websites that need voice access. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.